Hello guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. I'm back on today to show you all probably what is the most delicious crispy fried burgers that I've ever made. I'm just going to show you all how the recipe goes. I saw this on a Food Network channel and I replicated it, so I just wanted to show you all how we do it. So we're going to start off with 3 chicken breasts that we've butterflied so that it's thinner, so it can cook through when we're frying it. And then we're going to marinate those chicken breasts in a buttermilk marinade. So you're going to need 1 cup of buttermilk, and then to that we add our 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Then we've got half an onion that's finely sliced that will go in. Three garlic cloves that I'm just gonna smash with my knife. This helps get the flavor into the marinade. And then a chillie that I've cut in half, and that also helps get the flavor into the marinade faster. And then I'm just going to do, a generous fresh grind of black pepper. So it will be maybe about half a teaspoon or so. And then I'm going to mix this up. And then my chicken goes in. And then we'll leave this to marinate overnight, and we'll prepare tomorrow the burgers itself. So the coating and the frying we'll do tomorrow. The buttermilk marinade with all the salt and spices and pepper will get into the chicken, and then tomorrow we'll use it to actually be the sort of the coating that helps the flour stick to the chicken when we're doing the dredging of the chicken. But I'll show you that tomorrow. So now this goes into the fridge for 12 hours or so, and we'll use it tomorrow at lunchtime to make our burgers. Hi guys, welcome back. So we've marinated the chicken in the buttermilk brine overnight. And we've just taken it out and separated it from the buttermilk itself. I'm going to now make a flour that we're going to use as the coating for the chicken. So I've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour here, and to that I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and then just 1 teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix that through the flour thoroughly. You can even use a whisk to do this. And while I'm doing this, I've got my oil heating up in my frying pan. So it's about 3 centimeters of oil, 2.5 to 3 centimeters of oil that we've just put in a non-stick frying pan, and we're heating it up so that when we ready with this chicken, we can just put it in. Okay, so the flour mixture is ready. So what we're going to do now is just take your chicken burger, make sure that all the onions and stuff you put in the marinade is off, and we're going to dip it in your flour, cover all of the chicken breast. And then the secret to this is then you dip it back in your buttermilk that you were using to marinate it, and you coat the chicken with the flour with the marinade again. And then you take it out again and back into the flour for a second coating. So unlike the crispy strips recipe, this one doesn't have breadcrumbs. It's just flour and the marinade. Okay, I'm going to quickly wash my hands and then we're going to show you how we fry that off. Okay guys, so our oil is hot, but not very hot. You don't want to burn the batter. So just making sure that all the chicken is covered. So then we'll just slip our chicken in and let it fry now. And then you're just going to watch it so it doesn't burn, but make sure that it fries to a golden brown. Okay guys, so we're almost ready to take the burger out. We had a bit of a splittage while we were frying, but that's okay, because this can be a nugget and that's your burger. So we've kept it frying at a relatively moderate heat. You don't want the oil too hot, because what will happen is that the flour on the outside will burn and the chicken won't cook on the inside. And you don't want it too cold, because then it will make the burger coating very soaked with oil. So my burger is now done. I'm just going to take it off from the frying pan and let it rest for a little while, and then we will prepare the bun and the condiments that will go with it, and we'll have our burger ready in a jiffy. Okay guys, so we're just going to assemble the burger now. So I've got a soft Portuguese bun that I took a walk and just bought now from the spa. I'm just going to put in the mayonnaise at the bottom. You can actually make a mayonnaise and buttermilk sauce that goes with it, but it's not essential to do that. Then we're going to put our lettuce on the mayonnaise, our crispy burger, then a couple slices of tomato, just some salt on the tomatoes, and then I have it with sriracha sauce. But you can have tomato, mustard, whatever sauce you like. And there's your burger done. Okay guys, there's your crispy chicken burger that we made from scratch. Trust me, it's the most delicious chicken burger you'll ever eat. You can have it with whatever condiments you want. You can skip the mayonnaise, skip the sriracha if you want. I just want to show you how it looks up close. So yeah, you can enjoy this burger any time of the day. Makes for a great lunch or even supper. And trust me, you're never going to go back to eating store-bought burgers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. My mom's almost at 500 subscribers, and she's just gone past 30,000 views. So we just want to keep the channel going. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Guys, so here's the cook's spoil, the mini nugget that broke off from the burger. I just wanted to show you all how crunchy it is. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this. Excellent.